In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mobile view on Shopify. As more and more users are accessing websites through their mobile devices, ensuring that your Shopify store looks great and functions well on smaller screens is essential for maintaining a professional and user-friendly online presence. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to improve your mobile site's appearance. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to access the Shopify site editor. For that, log into your Shopify account and navigate to your online store's admin panel. Once you're there, look for the Themes section, typically located under the Online Store tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it, and you'll see your current theme. There's an option for Actions. Click there and then select Edit Code if you want to make changes at the code level. But to focus on user interface changes, click on Customize. Now that you're in the site editor, directing your attention to the top right corner is essential. You'll see an icon resembling a mobile phone. By clicking on this mobile icon, you'll switch the preview mode to mobile view. This simple step allows you to see exactly how your online store will appear to customers browsing on a mobile device. It's a fantastic way to identify issues that might not be visible on a desktop view. Once in mobile view, it's time to start editing and making improvements. Take a close look at your store's layout and elements. Does everything fit well on the screen? Are text and images properly aligned? Consider each section of your site critically. Pay attention to navigation menus and buttons. Ensure they are easily accessible and large enough to tap. Common adjustments you might need to make include resizing images, adjusting text sizes, and reordering page elements to suit smaller screens better. You may need to hide certain sections in the mobile view if they're secondary to the user experience. Many themes in Shopify allow for sections to be hidden on mobile devices without affecting the desktop view, giving you a streamlined approach. As you make changes, use the preview function to check how your adjustments affect the site in real time. This tool is invaluable for confirming that your modifications enhance usability and aesthetic appeal without negatively impacting performance. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps in the Shopify site editor, you can ensure that your mobile site is just as polished and functional as your desktop version. The user experience on mobile is crucial, as it can significantly impact your online business's success. That concludes today's video tutorial on fixing the mobile view on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you found this guide helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy editing and improved user experience.